Okay, you guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking on this video, and today I will show you how to achieve this simple holiday glam that can be used year-round and not just for the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go to my Instagram and like these pictures and let me know what you think. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup. I'm sure this happened to any and everyone where your favorite foundation is done, finished, finito. And so now I have to go to my, what is it, leftovers, I don't know. And I have Fit Me, the matte and poreless, shade 130. And I have this, it's not my shade, but I think I might use it as concealer, which is the Naked Skin by Decay. And it's called a Hybrid Complexion Perfector, but today it'll be my concealer. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just going to dab this all over my face, add some of this, you guys know the drill, and I'll fast forward. So because I haven't used these foundations in a while, I don't remember if they give me any kind of flashback. So I'm going to play it safe and just set my face with banana powder. Here's a specific brand. Okay, and it's just banana setting powder. So today I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Okay, there we go. These colors, then the names on the back. I need my brushes. My brushes, there's a hair. I keep my brushes in a crayon box. I'm working on getting little vases or whatever so I can actually put them on my desk. So if you hear rattling, that is my crayon box. Where's my, okay. Sorry. So I've been playing around with the shadow booster from cosmetics. And I have to say, you guys, it does make a difference using a primer. And this is a primer, it's a glitter and shadow primer. So this is what I do. I have no concealer on my eyelids, only right there beneath my brow. Just gonna put a small amount, like so. Now I'm going to take my finger and just blend it in. You don't really need a lot. Like this will definitely cover your whole eyes, and I have big eyes and a lot of lid space, and you'll feel that it feels tacky. So that'll help with the eyeshadow to stick and become more vibrant. So let me get my blending brushes ready so you won't have to hear me. Okay, so I have brushes that I think I'm going to use. We'll see, the eyes will be kept very minimal, not too much going on because of the bold lip. And if you haven't guessed it, yes, we're going to do a classic red lip. So I'm taking a Wet n Wild shader brush, and I'm going to go into Pukey. Again, from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I'm just going to really pack it on here. Dust it off a little bit. And I'm going to put that in the outer V. And you see I'm just packing it on. So with my obviously very dirty blending brush, it has a lot of pink on it. So what I'm doing is just blending it on my knuckles. I definitely need to wash my brushes this week. Do you guys have finals coming up? Right now I'm taking, I believe, yes, Silk Cream. I'm taking Silk Cream on my blending brush. Really trying to get that color on here. So let's hope we don't get the pink. But yeah, let me know if you guys are taking finals. Mine are coming up, and I have some papers due, and I'm sad. And it's always around my birthday. Yeah, my birthday is November 30th, if you guys didn't know. And my finals start and end, I believe, December 2nd and the 4th. So yeah, I think I'll be uploading a video on my YouTube anniversary day. And I might film something for my birthday, I'm not sure. So I did both eyes, now I'm going to go in with a very flat brush. I do want to add some sparkle because I know you guys like that. I don't know. Probably go with Beam or in Light. Just go ahead and go in with in Light. Okay, on the brush, and I'm just going to place this where I would place this if I did a cut crease. It's looking very white, like ashy. So I'm going with Beam instead on top of that. Okay, that's pretty fine. Got my blending brush and just kind of blend that. I don't want it personally for just for this video. I didn't want it too precise. Just wanted to add a little bit to the eyes. Okay, and then you can get some more Pukey. I'm just taking whatever's left, and just putting it on the lid. Okay, so we have that. Now you can just add some Pukey on the bottom. I need this closer. you probably need to pick up some pukey. So pick up some pukey. I'm sorry, no. I got silk cream. Just blend that. I'm just now starting to put stuff in my bottom lash line. I wasn't a big fan of it. But yeah, you do you, boo. You do you. Okay, and because I wear glasses, I don't wear lashes for family events and stuff because I need to see and I don't own contacts. So I would just go ahead and curl my lashes, put mascara up and bottom, and we'll get down to the lips. I have this Ruby Matte lipstick from Anastasia. This is like a very true red. This is a little bit more darker. I gravitate towards this because my teeth are not white. So I want to try this just to see how it looks. Now, mind you, I'm not the greatest at applying lipstick nor liquid lipstick. Yeah. So I hope you guys can see the lips. I'm nervous. Okay, so before I go crazy, I'm going to dig into my crown box and get a lip, what's it called, a lip brush, so I can make straight lines. Okay, so I found a lip brush, and all I'm going to do is just run it along here. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see. Right. And just try my best to make straight lines. So I really overlined my lips because of that. So I'm going to wipe this off with a, what is this called, a cotton round soaked and makeup remover, and I'm gonna try to take off all the red, and instead of fixing my lipstick with concealer, I am going to fix it with foundation so that there's no cast, you know, around your mouth and it makes you look weird. I don't know why I didn't think about that before. I'd always go in with concealer, and then when you take a picture with flash, you would see. You could tell. Hope you guys like this. Yeah, I never do anything with my hair. Actually, I didn't put on a hood for you guys. The only thing I don't like when I wear a hood is that most of the times it covers your eyebrows. But here just goes a fun little pom-pom moment. I got this at the North Florida Fair. And yeah, you guys, there goes the holiday season makeup. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, you know, leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment. Go to my Instagram and like the pictures. But yeah, so until next time, bye.